Kotoko Jamie be Otumfuo ne ye. Ekun bia ebedi na nti asie wom. Asante Kotoko no. Edina nkrofo ti di eti pimpim. Konfo hu bibia mfa ni timpim duem. Ayempo asante Kotoko. Boafo akon na na sa etu no. Aye kunumado aye. Aye kubu aferi o. Anasa wa be kunim ben wo. Aye kunumado aye. Aye nana sa Tutu brimponia. Anasa wa be dam ne ku. Sani ebedi akwa.
Eba nyina kwa ba edemo eba kuna. Na so
Dedi etiribeto.
Ko be refresh and just so hene ne brempo. Ene na kuna du yi adon ko mani to so ena ene na saso so ene gine. Ene ba eba nyina eye prekope anase eyifua. Ko be refresh and to hene. Otumfuo Osei Tutu. The foundation eye Osei Tutu, Otumfuo Osei Tutu the second foundation. Ene woni new month Ghana. Eye say Ghana anase wiase nyina ye call a STEM education or hene ediaton ho so say baby emre no bedane afa bia o hene pa ono so ne mane na na no so bedane afa ho no na bem busumi mi oni e na ye Otumfuo Charity Foundation and as Otumfuo Foundation e call kunsu yo so ekoye ekosi AI center ni bi na ne so ya bakuna aba be si AI center ni bia ene oba be dana die na prince omode ama eye kuna adehye nyina ene so ya ba Midi de mami foza kan ho na dwumade ne nyina so yemfa emro kai so subscribe no ahye ama popon so enya bi ahye kan ho ne room na de fa AI training ne nyina ho ye be hu ne nyina na fese be sua ho ade medas
konfo hu bibia mfa ni timpim duem ayempo asante Kotoko boafo akon na na sa etu no aye kunumado aye kubu aferi o Anasa wa be kunim ben wo.
Lama Kona
Aye kunumado aye nana sa Tutu brimponia. Anasa wa be dam ne.
I want to express my increase of gratitude to the tireless efforts of our PTA, Otumfuo Foundation, Nana Kona and those elders in the community. Our dedicated Kona for engineering these projects. Our dedicated teachers, especially the head teacher, Mr. Edward Begani, who will still be guiding pupils in this exciting new adventure. And of course, the generous sponsors who have made this laboratory a reality. Nanache, looking forward, the launch of this AI laboratory is just the beginning. Today, we are opening a door to a world of possibilities for our young learners. Let us embrace this opportunity to nurture their curiosity, fuel their creativity, and prepare them to be pioneers of a future shaped by intelligence, both human and artificial. At this juncture, we are most grateful to Otumfuo Foundation for the services rendered to such a South so far. Not even this project, they have done a lot, donating books and they're renovating other facilities. On the whole, we say thank you and Ayeko. May the good Lord bless us all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
All the engagements we've been doing, sometimes you start talking and it takes 18 months, 1 year, 2 years. You sign a contract with government 2020, you are deploying 2023. But the Otumfuo Foundation's exercise, we did one in Rio earlier this year. And Kona is the second location we are deploying. So thank you very much. Thank you, Otumfuo Foundation. Otumfuo Foundation happens to be one of the most progressive institutions we've worked with in all the years that we are working in this space. Why are we here? We are here to support. Essentially, what we're doing is we're trying to empower your students to be fit for purpose for the new world of work, for the future of work. The world has changed. Education has changed. The way people learn has changed. And it's important that as many of our students around Ghana, all the indication is that any routine task that a robot or an algorithm can perform is being replaced by a robot. You go to restaurants, robots are serving. Robots are performing surgeries. This has changed as recent as the last 18 months. So if the curriculum that your students are engaged with now is not preparing them for the future of work, then we've got to have another conversation. The future of work means that the students need to have certain skills, not just artificial intelligence, but machine learning, data analysis, cyber security. That's the whole paradigm for the fourth industrial revolution. So employers are always complaining that the kind of graduates that they are getting are not fit for industry. What we are starting here in Kona is to start preparing your students so that by the time they graduate, no employer will tell them that they are not fit for purpose. Those that will also start their own businesses will take them through entrepreneurial support and design thinking to be able to achieve that. Our job here is very, very simple. This is a start, but as we go on and we engage with your teachers, we train a lot more teachers. Kona can become a center of excellence for the area so that other schools in the area can come and benefit from what we're doing. So thank you very much for receiving us. Thank you for your support. And we are looking forward to a long, prosperous and progressive relationship with you, not just in Kona, but across Ghana. And Newmont Gold Ghana is sponsoring these labs in partnership with the Otumfuo Foundation, and we are powering it. So our partners are also Intel. So all the laptops that you see, there are different processes in there. The most popular tends to be Intel. So we'll be dealing with Intel technology over here in this lab. Thank you very much.
asante kotoko no no so ne ebedi akwa aboaboa ho etuo ne to na sakra aboa nkwa ya de etiri beto ho asem ne frititio efrititio odmankoma ade no ya mfa nto de da na efrato odmankoma ba ade oba asante kotoko kofo okun afrana nanom yakun anu ohye kotoko jami bi okunfo ne ye ekun bia ebedi na ntiasie wom asante kotoko no no edina nkrofo ti di eti pempem konfo hu bibi onfa ni timpim duem ayempo asante kotoko bo afo akon na na sa etu no no aye gunu mado aye kubu aferi anasa wa be gunu ben wo aye gunu mado aye nana sa tutu brimponia anasa wa me domne ne ku
Atibia yeye na sasi subia ni ensa na shasia etimi ba yehunu no nanso ni nyina mu no Onyankopɔn e bo yi na ye chidon e mani ti urade na amasa ni madi abedu sampɔpɔ so ti di na nesese ni ni si chase na ye bo pacho ye na welcome na mama ti omocho wonyameja oba ene hundu kodi amen ti omocho
robots I want to work as I venture in Colano programming. Send a bit to use computer. I write instructions. I'm a robot, you know. I obey our instructions now. I'm more the man. Now the sign will let support to us. Now with this let support, you know. Say teacher and person or chair there. The lesson plans me now or the local teacher's laptop, you know. Then why through the let support, you know. I almost have one tablet. It's a polarity tablet, no one. The teacher and project on a laptop in the show. And no, who on the tablet in the show. Into no, wait me the exchange. Yes, I will books are in library. They will do books with real good net support in the show. Into book be a polarity person who say piano, wait me either Essia. It is a wait me answer set exams. I'm wait me I get the tablet in the show. It's a non-cap, your tablet, you know, the tablet, and also your charging unit. My job, so about your charging unit, it take about 50 teacher and the end of the best charging unit in him, not a charging tablet. And the time on best here be room, not a charging the light of ground, almost still around power on one, on between my apostle, at 12 on my duty and so. Yeah, well, I say, we are a 3D printer. In the 3D printer, this is a sample of parts I have printed from the printer. Light in the unit now. I told the car, who say filament maybe I drop it. Light in the unit now, edge I stop it. It's the color be also printed, you are going to printed. It is a personal, you go to a technical drawing. Say, you are moving from 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions. If you go here, we know there is a draw box or a box now. Yasu Bibia, as a converted box into 3-dimensional. That's our printer, wait me also. Oh, okay, let us know ABCD, no, obey me, I am not printed. 1, 2, 3, wait me, I am not printed. Lego part, obey me the 3D printer, I printed. Says, obey me, I printed robots from the 3D printer. They say, I want 3D farms. Before I started here, your 3D farms in here, 3D printers, I actually be your cabinet. I said, I want all printer, or send the work now, printer, Monsana, 3D farms. Your 3D printers are removing this down. In now, on for you to now check, I will say 3D printers also, they are in the 21st century for child's development. Now, say I can't job readiness and so on. and you're not I say make sure say in Kolano or Madisiano, you are building on cognitively affective, you know, and it's psychomotor. I'm on what taking up the challenges of the world. I'm on what you so as a competition. So where your competition table gets in your I want different missions. You can't robotic competitions are missions. Missions, you know, is time bound. It's a do hard. About five missions. But you are about 1 minute. It be a 15 missions. The amount of 2 minutes 30 seconds. Program robot, no robot, and then go round. Then one casa and complete missions. No, do our waiting in 2 minutes 30 seconds. And they are ranking. You know, it's way a sample of it. You know, about display. Am I
And I said, "Why couldn't you be I am going to my door. I am an answer to bring Ponya. And I said, "Why me down in it?"
Programming robot, not the instructions, from the computer. It is on the manner where obstacle avoidance. It is a robot never a new, that's a new obstacle. Because they say I can't drive a less car. Car I wait to move with driver into seven possible. The same Kolano, a face is saying, and I'm in Musia Saniaman. They will do Saturn now about car, driver into Muno. I am confident that we are not even building them to be end users of the technology, but the creators of the technology.
About the dance, or dance,
my next vote of thanks goes to His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II Asantemanra, whose foundation, in collaboration with all sponsors such as Newmont Africa, Kona Reef, among others, has made a difference in our lives today as a school and circuit as a whole. For being there for us today as chairman and holding the destination of this program in your arms to a successful end. Nana Dr. Ajiman Bedu Kunsuhini, we say thank you.